Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website for a Mexican restaurant using Mighty Sites. So if you're looking to make a website for your Mexican restaurant, this is probably the best video for you. We're going to show you simply and easily how to create a website from scratch in the next 15 or 20 minutes. You can, of course, zoom to the end to see what it looks like. And I'm going to post the link below of the actual site that we create today, just so you can have a sense of how it works. So website, really good idea. So obviously, if I search the business name, I can find them. But when I search for just like a Mexican restaurant, Google's favoring website links in this section. And even in the maps, it's favoring businesses with websites, things like that. So if you really want to create exposure for your business, having a website for your restaurant is a really good idea. So I'll dive right in and show you how this works. So again, this is a really easy website builder. That's why we use it. It's why so many small businesses use this platform. You just pick your template, your business type, and then you get started. So I'm going to pick a Mexican restaurant. So here we go. And now Aguas Calientes is the name of this restaurant. So they don't currently have a website. So building this as if I was using the tool to build a website myself if I own this business. So there's the business name. They are located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. So city, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. And then let's get the type of business: restaurant, retail, service. Mighty Sites is for all types of local businesses. So this is a restaurant. Click continue. And then I'm going to click on phone number. Here's their phone number right here. So I'm just going to copy that. Makes it easy. Paste it in right here. Email. Let's see if there's a public email. I don't see one right here. So we'll check on their Facebook page in a minute and see if we can get more details there. So no email, click continue. Let's get the actual address in here. So they're on 4105 Wadsworth Boulevard. So we're going to type that in, and then zip code is 80033. 80033. Okay, I'm going to click continue. And now we do the hours. So let's zip through the hours. It looks like they are open more hours, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Every day of the week. So that's great. They're open really, really great hours for customers, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So then I just go right here and I put in 8 a.m. they open, and looks like 9 p.m. they close. And that is every day of the week. So I just check all of these boxes, because this Mexican restaurant is open every day of the week from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Looks good. And just I can review it quick. If everything looks good, I click next. And now what's going to happen is Mighty Sites is going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my Mexican restaurant using the information that I input in there already. So you can see as I scroll through, now all of a sudden the website template is pretty well filled out. So you can see that there's images here that make sense, right? And there are some images in this section. All of these images are pre-licensed to use, or I can make edits myself to any of these, and I can upload my own images, background images, things like that. So it just really depends on what I think looks best as I'm kind of building out the site. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colors around a little bit. So I'm going to click here on the color palette, and let's just switch it over to something like this. I kind of like this color theme for a Mexican restaurant, but again, it's really easy to change colors. Any color theme that you want, you can just thumb through these different color themes and then choose the one that works best, makes the most sense for your business, and select one that you really think looks good. So I'm going to go with this one for now. I think this is a pretty good look. And then what I can do from here is then start editing different sections. So if I want to go here to update section, I know that they have a Facebook page. So I'm just going to go over here to Facebook. Let's see those search results again. I've got the tabs in the way. So here it is. Let's go. Must have closed the tab that I had open before. So let's go like that. So let's go. Here's their Facebook page. Perfect. So I can actually just copy this link here, and I can go right back over here to the main page, and I can just paste in their Facebook page right here. and then I can click save and close, move my little image. Now you can see that the Facebook page is linked right up there at the top. So that is a simple and easy way. Now I can add any of the other social links that I want to. So if I want to add, if I find they have an Instagram or they have, let's just say, a YouTube channel or LinkedIn or any of those, I can add those as well. I can look on here. Let's see if they have an email. No, they don't have an email listed there. So, no email to put because they don't have a public facing email. So that all looks good. I can close it. And now up at the top, let's see if I see any type of logo. Looks like they do have a logo. We can see one here on Facebook. So let's give this a shot. I'm going to save this image as Mexican restaurant logo. So I'm going to save that. Now, if they did not have a logo, I always recommend Canva. It's a really easy way to create a logo. So you can just literally create a Canva account. It's free. Go over here to logo, type it in, and then you can search the templates that they already have. So let's just put Mexican restaurant and see what they give us. Type there. So here's all pre-made logos. So you can just copy these over, customize them to be a good fit, work with your website. And you can just create a website really quickly and easily using Canva too. So, but since they have a logo, we'll give that a shot. So I'm going to go back up over here, update logo, browse on my computer. Let's see, Mexican restaurant logo. Perfect. Let that upload. And now once it's uploaded, I can click on save. And now I can make it bigger like this. I can make it smaller, just whatever I think, is going to be the best fit there for the logo. I can also click on this pencil and I can edit it too. So if I want to crop it or make any changes like that to the site, I can just simply crop it like that. Maybe I could even, make it smaller over here. This logo is they might have a different version that's like horizontal, and that might be a better one to use on the website. But for now, I'll just kind of crop it like this. And now I can click done. I've cropped the website a little bit, or cropped the logo. So now it's uploading the new version. I can click save. You can see it's a little bit smaller over there. So I can make it, if I want to make it a little bigger, I can do that. If I want to make it a little smaller, I can do that too. So whatever makes sense. And then use all of these great tools to kind of make it look the way that I want. So I can also update the menu. So if there are any other things that I want to add here, one of the first things that I'll do is I will update the menu to actually include the restaurant's menu. So I'll upload the PDF of the menu right here, browse for it, and I should have the download. Yep, here's the restaurant menu. So I'm going to let that upload. Great. And then confirm and close. And so now if I click, okay, now that we've loaded our menu here, the next thing we want to do is make sure that our menu, this is where it stores the menu section of the website. So what we want to make sure is that once we've uploaded the PDF, that this call to action shows the same thing. So if I go over here, actions, PDF, select this PDF, and then confirm, I can see it right here. Here's the PDF, the menu. Here's my Mexican restaurant menu. So I'm just going to see that that's there for the button, view our menu. That's perfect. Click save and close. And now if I click on this, great. Now it opens our restaurant, which is perfect. So our restaurant menu. So now you can see the Mexican restaurant menu. And if I go back to the website, that's available right there. It just opens in a new tab, opens up our PDF here. And you can actually, if you are creating like a QR code for scanning for people to see the menu, you can actually have the QR code go right to this too, as a way for sending people to your menu as well. So, and that works great. Now let's see what else we have going on here. So they have some photos. Let's just look at some of the photos that they have on their website. A lot of photos of their food, which is great. I'm sure people enjoy seeing that. Mostly photos of the food. I was looking to see if there are restaurant video or pictures from inside the restaurant. Here is a picture of the outside. I think that may have been, if they had a different name at some point. But this is, okay, so there's a nice picture of the sign. That could be something really nice we could use. So let's see. I'm actually going to save that image as Mexican restaurant website image. I'm going to save that to my downloads. Now let's go back over here And I think using it in a section like this would look really nice. So I'm actually going to browse my computer and upload from the downloads folder here, Mexican restaurant. There we go. So let's upload that into this photo space. Once it's uploaded, click save. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit that because I want it to appear a little bit differently. So let's see if we can make the cropping tool. So let's zoom this in. We've got it zoomed out, so let's go like this. And let's pull that down. There we go. Kind of like that, a little bit better. Creates a nicer look. There. Let's see. Say done that with that for a moment. And save that new version. There we go. So now we've got a nice image there of the restaurant, right? So that's the sign. So people will probably recognize that sign, say, oh, that's this restaurant. Okay. And let's see what other photos we have. I know they have a photo from the outside on their Google business profile. So let's go back to the Google business profile and see if we can't find, here we go. Here's a picture of the outside, the restaurant. Now let's just try this out and see how this looks on the site too. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, see if we can make that work. So let's just go like this. And I'm going to go right here, all the way down. We can use the cropping tools if we want to. So let's take that. Okay, so ask me for another one. Okay. Start right at the top, and now I'm going to take a of this Mexican restaurant. So let's just go to File, Open File. Let's grab that screenshot that I just took. And, whoops, save image as downloads. That opened. I'm going to open it right here. Okay, now let's export this as a JPEG. Mexican restaurant outside photo. Download, save, great. Now we've got a JPEG. So let's go back over here now, and I'm going to try. Let's see where this should go. Smaller one right there. We could try it as the main background here. This is a pretty good background already, so I don't think I want to mess with that. And I don't think it's going to be big enough for this section here. So if I was the restaurant, I would try to get like a professional photo that's very large, not and wide, so that it fits nicely here. I'm not sure that this photo that we have is going to do it justice, but let's give it a shot, and then we can just kind of see where we do from there. So let's open this. It just may not be large enough, but we can give it a try. Oh, there we go. Yeah, works pretty well. Okay, so now we can see, okay, this is becoming really, really customized to looking exactly like this Mexican restaurant, and it's pretty easy to do so far. So now you can see that we've got their logo up here. We've got their social media, their phone number, their address. So let's look at this order online. Does this restaurant offer any partnership or order online options? Let's check that out. Aguas Calientes. Okay, so let's just see. Reserve a table, order online. So they do have an order online button here. Let's see. Okay, this goes. Okay, they send people to Grubhub, Seamless, Uber Eats, Postmates. So if I was the business, I'd probably pick the one that had the most orders or was the most profitable for me, and then choose that as the place I'd send people to order online. Or you could send them right here to this link too, and then let them choose from there where they'd like to order online. That's for pickup. or delivery. So let's do that actually. Let's take this link here and let's go back over to the order online and then choose where that links to another website. Post that right there and confirm and save, close. Now if I click this order online, it takes me right there to where I was. So now they're the same way that they're sending people to choose the options where they're listed or where they partner for order online. Now the website will do the same thing. So great. So now you can follow their social, you can see their menu. Let's talk about that about section. Let's see if there's anything else we can add there. Let's see if the restaurant's added anything to their Google business profile. It doesn't look like it. Let's check out the Facebook page. There's an about section. Does not look like they've taken the time to share any information about their business in either place. So that's why we built the default content. So we've got this default content here. We'll leave it as the default content for now. And then, if they feel like they want to write something else in there, they can. Otherwise, the great news, this already comes with default content for you for situations like this when you haven't had the chance to write any for yourself yet. So if I scroll through this website, now you can see that, and I'll go to stop editing, you can see that a really professional, simple website for a Mexican restaurant has just emerged. So a customer can come here, you can see the social, they can call the business, they can click to go view the menu, which is really nice. They can go back and order online if they find the restaurant and know exactly where their order online options are and follow into the right app. Or if they're ready to go there, they can click on get directions and it brings up the directions in Google Maps right away for them to drive to the restaurant. They can see the hours that it's open, the address, see some images, and then, any of the links to see more, learn more about the business. So now it gives this Mexican restaurant a really nice, easy way to market their business with a nice, simple, professional website that they can put on business cards and mailers and their advertising. And then if anybody visits this website, now they can easily go to find their social media, order online, get directions to the restaurant, or view the menu. So it's a really great way for a Mexican restaurant to get their website up and running super easily and quickly and link to all the right places where they want to send customers. And then once they're done, they can go right here to the site dashboard and connect a custom domain. So they just connect their domain from GoDaddy or Google Domains or domain.com, wherever they've got their domain through. If you have any questions, you can just chat right here. We're available to chat through this Facebook chat widget, which is really nice. And then once this business is up and running, they can connect their domain. They'll be ready to go. It's only $9 a month. That includes the website hosting. That includes the front end editor. It includes the pre-licensed images. It includes the secure certificate for the website. So as you'll notice, it's secure. It's got this connection is secure, which is important for the restaurant and for its customers. So just like that, really quickly and easily, you can build a simple professional website for a Mexican restaurant using Mighty Sites and have it ready to go to start marketing your business and